ka-vibes, it's still me, your DJ Caramel on part 2. And now I'm ready to listen again to your hidden confessions and honest feelings here on Unspoken Words.
I think po, the best love advice that I could give po is to value reciprocity po. Specifically when it comes to love po. Kasi I have witnessed multiple relationships po na parang binavalue nila na parang just love. Parang don't expect anything in return. But for me po kasi it is important na nababalik kung ano yung nabibigay natin. Kasi hindi naman po mahirap magmahal eh. So parang the same thing po with give and take po. Parang hindi nang dapat naman na nag-give lang tayo ng give. Kasi parang eventually mababurn out po tayo. Parang one day mawawalan na lang tayo ng spark. Parang ganun. So at least for our partner po, it is important for them to know na need din natin na nababalik yung energy back po sa atin. So
siguro po yung advice ko to someone is every time na magmamahal tayo, dapat lagi tayong magtitira sa sarili natin. Because sometimes we tend to love someone na binibigay natin yung lahat. So for me, it's very important na magtitira din tayo sa sarili natin kasi sabi nga nila na kapag nagmamahal tayo, dapat minamahal muna natin yung sarili natin before loving others. Yun po yung mabibigay kong love advice to someone.
Best advice na may bibigay ko is maging faithful lang kayo sa sa loved ones nyo.
One thing that I would say to my future self is to prioritize self-love. It's important given that at today's age that we prioritize ourselves over other people. Kasi what I've learned from my experience and from what I've seen from other people is that you cannot love other people without loving yourself first. And given that it's Love Month here in the Philippines or in the world, it's important that we recognize the fact that at the end of the day, we only have ourselves. Kaya to future me, I hope that you will learn how to love yourself better and how to take care of yourself better.
To my future self po, may message ko lang po sa iyo na choose wisely po kasi po hindi po lahat ng tao na magmamahal sa iyo ay appreciate po yung buong pagkatao mo po. Kaya po, choose the one who's kaya pong i-appreciate yung sarili mo kahit ano ka pa po.
And ayan mga ka-vibes, narinig yun naman ang kanilang mga confession and ang kanilang honest feelings. Ngayon, syempre, magpapahuli ba si DJ Caramela? Hindi. Kaya naman, let me go ahead and share my feelings as well. My message for my future self is, malayo yung pinanggalingan mo pero malayo na yung narating mo at kakayanin mo pang mas mapalayo pa. In a good way, in a better way, at kung ano man yung na-achieve mo ngayon, deserve mo lahat yan dahil pinaghirapan mo yan. With the guidance, syempre, ni Lord and ng mga sumusuporta sa paligid mo. Keep it up, self. I am so proud of you. And that concludes our Valentine's special, mga ka-vibes. Keep the love and spread the good vibes here on GV 99.1, your good vibes.